I don't think Terra Luna Classic could be following the cryptocurrency market any closer than it is right now. Bitcoin down a little bit, Ethereum down a little bit, and of course Terra Luna Classic is down a little bit. You've got that direct correlation going on, and despite all of the innovation that is taking place on the blockchain right now, it's the overall market, man. It's that gravitational pull of Bitcoin that is really dictating prices in Terra Luna Classic, yes, but across the cryptocurrency market in general. And we're going to have to break that cycle if we want to see some major upswings. But nonetheless, we do have a lot going on that we're going to be going over. Most of it is review. We're going to go over and talk about the latest numbers on the proposal, that Binance proposal that's out there. We're going to be looking at some levels of support just in case Terra Luna Classic continues to fall. But what's going on with the blockchain and what it means for the future prices of Terra Luna Classic. So if it sounds like something you're interested in, let's get started. Let's get started. What's up, everybody? I'm Clay. I'm here to make 2023 the best year ever. If you haven't clicked that subscribe button, make sure to subscribe to the channel. Join us, become a bro. We are here every single day, and we are growing our portfolios together. And look, if you're brand new to investing, you don't know how or where to buy stocks in crypto, you got a link in the description below for Webull. It is super simple to set up your account. Any deposit, you guys are getting at least 6 free stocks, up to 12 free stocks, and a $1 crypto trade is going to get you $5 in free crypto. Now, if you guys want crypto exclusive exchanges where you can buy, sell, trade, short, leverage, all that good stuff, you got KuCoin and Binance down there. KuCoin and Binance, they offer rewards for the more active traders. So the more you trade, the more you're going to earn. But please be aware, if you're holding on those exchanges, it is considered a loan to those exchanges. If you want it to be your asset, you've got to hold it on a cold storage or a DeFi wallet. Now, guys, there's a lot going on in the cryptocurrency world right now. Watch the video from last night talking about the IMF, the International Monetary Fund, and kind of their guidance or outline for how countries should be treating cryptocurrency. If you watch that, if you read through their latest release, you are going to see that they admit that cryptocurrency can revolutionize the world. It can revolutionize the global monetary policy and the global monetary system in ways that they are just afraid of. I mean, there's no other word to use, but they are intimidated by it. They are afraid of it. And they know that crypto doesn't have to be Terra Luna Classic, right? But crypto in general, this idea of decentralized finance, poses a huge threat, not for the safety and the security of the fiat system and the current global monetary system, but it's a way to innovate and improve on their fiat, their centralized, their government-controlled currency that is currently in use. So good news in store for anybody that believes cryptocurrency will revolutionize the financial system, and Terra Luna Classic could be on the forefront of that. But we've got a long way to go. You remember, this is a coin that is being rebuilt basically from the ground up. And a lot of people seem to want massive things to happen from the beginning, and they want massive price swings when we don't really have the backing to get there yet. But we are building. Now, one of the latest proposals is that Binance proposal, and that's the one that kind of has 3 upgrades to the Terra Luna Classic blockchain built into it. The burn tax, or the tax, sorry, going 90 to the burned pool and 10% to the community pool. It's got the one where Binance is asking us to create a dedicated burn wallet that will see no seigniorage remints, and it's got the one where Binance, not Winance and whitelisted, it's whitelisted Binance wallets are going to be out there so that Binance does not have to pay any taxes on their wallet-to-wallet transactions there. And in return, Binance is going to be burning again on March 1st. March 1st, we are expecting some massive burns, guys. The burns on Binance, they're going to be 50% of all of Binance's trading fees. And we know that if we take the averages from the past, Binance was burning roughly $1 million a month. If all of those numbers remain the same, we're probably going to get somewhere around a 1.5, give or take, $1 million burn from Binance, which is going to be incredible. A lot of people are expecting a little bit of price action based on that burn. Well, we're going to have to see if that does come true. But nonetheless, it is good to have Binance back on board and supporting Terra Luna Classic. Now, just in case that doesn't turn into some major rally or upside swing for Terra Luna Classic, I want to take a quick look at the levels of support and not necessarily resistance. Resistance is going to be heavily correlated to Bitcoin as well. With Bitcoin retesting that testing 23,000 on the downside right now, but testing 25,000 on the upside. Terra Luna Classic might run back up to the 18 to 19,000 point per coin range. But let's talk about downside just in case Bitcoin falls off of these recent highs and continues to move lower over the next couple of weeks. We are sitting right now around 16,000 points per coin on Terra Luna Classic, and it is a very strong level of support. It goes back a couple of months now that we have tested 16,000, and traders have decided that this is a strong level of support. In fact, if you do go back to the rally we had, I believe it was September of 2022, if you go all the way back to that rally, you can see that 16,000 points per coin was a very significant level of resistance for Terra Luna Classic on the way up, and when it broke that, it ran. So therefore, coming back down, 16,000 is a very strong level of support. If it does break that, we've got two levels of support that should hold up, barring any form of like a fundamental move lower, either in the cryptocurrency space in general. I don't know, economic releases, or you've got regulation coming in that's heavy-handed or something. We know a lot of stuff's affecting crypto right now. We're looking at 14,000 points per coin, and below that 12,000 points per coin. 12,000 points per coin is kind of like it's a pretty heavy line in the sand. That's the lowest levels that we have touched since Terra Luna Classic ran up back in September. And if we fall below that 12,000 point per coin mark, of course, we're going to be at 10,000 and 8,000 again, but it will mark a significant decline and not necessarily like a defeat or anything, but it will mark the lows that we have seen since running up and hitting these not all-time highs, but all-time recent highs since kind of the collapse took place. So 12,000 points per coin, extremely significant. We've got to keep our eyes on that. And if it does get broken, 10,000 and 8,000 below that. So basically every 2,000 points per coin is going to be a nice stair or a nice floor for Terra Luna Classic to land on if the decline continues. So I want to know what you guys think. Obviously, we're excited about Binance. That is excellent news. They're back on board. They're going to be burning as long as this proposal passes. But what do you guys think about the overall crypto market? Do you think it's going to be conducive to growth in 2023? Or do you think all of the regulation is going to keep people on the sidelines until they can kind of tell what direction the government's willing to take cryptocurrency? Let us know down there in the comments. And of course, if that button right there is still red, make sure to click it. Subscribe to the channel. Join us. Become a bro. We are here every single day, and we are growing our portfolios together. ClayBro 883 everywhere. 6 to 12 free stocks on Webull, KuCoin, and Binance, free Discord. And until the next time, hope to each and every one of you have an awesome day.